Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Patreon on a desktop browser and confirming your payment method. This avoids surprises later. Once logged in, navigate directly to the creator's page to ensure you're canceling the correct membership and make note of the tier name. Because some settings differ on mobile, use the desktop site to reach account settings faster. Then open Settings, choose Memberships, and locate the active pledge. That first click begins the cancellation flow and prevents a mistaken refund delay. Once you're in Memberships, find the active pledge and click Manage to reveal cancel options. Patreon lists the exact renewal date, so you know when billing stops. Select Cancel Pledge and follow each prompt, choose a reason from the menu to help Patreon improve, and confirm that you understand access ends at the next billing cycle. Make sure to watch for a confirmation pop-up and an email. If you see different tiers, double-check you canceled the correct one before finishing. After confirming the cancellation, check your inbox for the confirmation email and verify the stated end date. This is your proof. Once done, review your bank or Patreon billing history to ensure the next charge is removed. If you're mistakenly charged after cancellation, capture screenshots of your memberships page and the confirmation email and contact Patreon support promptly. Include dates and payment details. If access persists, clear cache or try another browser. Then repeat steps and resend evidence to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.